Well, hello, beautiful friends. I have Nikki on FaceTime, and the reason I have her on FaceTime is I was looking at my mums today, and some of them are not looking that great. Nikki, how are yours looking that we just bought them 3 weeks ago?
They look pretty rough. I'm pretty disappointed. I was hoping they'd last a little longer.
So I'm going to show Nikki, and I want to show all of you guys. If I can do it and Nikki can do it, you guys can do it. So,
what are we going to do? What is it that we're doing?
We're going to get some spray paint. And I have a few more cans out in the garage that I'm going to go get. And I'm going to show you guys how to save some money on your mums before you have to go replace them. Because we got to, we got a couple weeks. We want to have them last until at least Thanksgiving, right?
Yes, I would love them to last till Thanksgiving.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to spray your mums. And then, are you going to go spray yours, Nick?
Heck, yeah, I'm going to try it. I can't wait. I hope it brings them back to life.
Alrighty, guys, go spray your mums. Okay, guys, so here's my mum that I would like to paint, and I want to show you guys how I do it. And the mum up here is still looking pretty good, so I'm going to let that go, but once it starts to die, I'll paint it too. So here's my mom that I want to show you guys how to paint. It is so easy to do. It's going to save you guys a little bit of money. Get you a bottle of spray paint. I just got one that looked kind of yellowy, orangey. And then what I like to do is just kind of go in where you see the flowers. Make some spots a little darker than other spots, kind of make it look natural as can be with spray paint, right? And just like that, you have a brand new mum. Up close, it's not the greatest, but from a distance, not a soul will be able to tell. Go paint your mums. What I'm going to do is go around my whole house, and I'll do before and after pictures of the mums that I painted. Okay, so here's my pathway we did, and you can see my mums are not looking the greatest. Now the yellow one looks pretty good, so the ones that look good I won't do. And then as I came out here, my friend Rex, my neighbor, left me some plants to plant. So I think I'll get those planted in the ground as well. See the yellow mums back there not looking too great. And then the purple ones here and up there are not looking so hot either. So I'm gonna spray them real fast and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this one is a little white one that has a little bit of a pink tint to it. So I just wanted to show you real quick how I'm gonna do this one. I just took the whole mum out of the planter, and then I'm just gonna take and spray some white on the tips. You really wanna try to get rid of the dead looking stuff. So then I have this really pretty pink color. It's actually spray paint for flowers, like if you're drying them or whatever. And then we're just gonna lightly come through, spray them. And now you have a brand new pink and white mum. Okay guys, so I finished spraying all of the mums on my pathway. And I wanna just show you a close-up picture, and then look how beautiful our leaves are changing on our maple tree. And we come close, and I sprayed that one with the burgundy. Over here I sprayed that one with the yellow. Then we did the pink and white action, and then yellow. And it's gonna get us through these next couple weeks, and then they'll be getting switched out for Christmas, if you can't believe it. I like to go Christmas early around here. Then here's the pathway. The first orange mum is looking pretty good, so I didn't touch it. But I did spray the yellow ones back there. And these 3 burgundy ones I sprayed. My little yellow mum here is looking pretty good. So I'm just not touching the ones that are looking good. But as you can see, it just gives it, you know, a little bit more color. I hope that this is useful for you guys, and that, you know, if you have some mums that aren't looking that great, go out into your garage, find some spray paint, or go to Walmart, get you a couple cans for $6, and go have some spray painting fun.
Well, hey, when Linette called to chat about our mums, I was busy making cookies. I'm hosting a football dinner. Some of the football team is coming over tonight to have dinner here, and I'm making cookies for that. So she said, share your cookies because they're so cute and they're so easy. So they are just dipped Oreos, half dipped into white chocolate. I usually use the bark, the white almond bark. And then I put an M on them to make them the team colors. I've done this for graduation parties and different things, and they just turn out super cute. You could put any letters or anything on them. You could probably put numbers. There we go. So thanks for that. Now I'm gonna head out. Once I'm done with these, I'm gonna head out and paint my mums. Okay, my mums are looking a little rough. And I have some spray paint, and I'm going to channel my inner Linette and try spraying them. I'm gonna try this other one. This is like a miracle idea. Linette, you're genius. Look at that. Refreshed. I love it. This mum here looks like it could use a refresh. If you notice, I still have some regular flowers growing in there. Take out this orange pumpkin just so I can spray. And we're set to roll. Well, my mums out front still look pretty good. So they're not getting as much love as they should, but they are doing okay. They don't get a lot of sun out here. So I'm gonna leave them be, but I might have to hit them with some spray paint too if they don't last through Thanksgiving.
Wow, you guys, I've had the most beautiful day in the garden today. It is so pretty out. It's like 68 degrees and sunny. But I have one last little job that I want to do, and it is to plant this blue Danube Stokes aster. It is a little gift that I got from my neighbor Rex down the street. He brings me gifts every so often and just leaves them on my patio. He'll bring me seeds, plants, things to put plants in, pumpkins, corn stalks. But anyway, the reason he told me he does that is because he said he appreciates so much how much I do in the yard, and that when he goes by, he's in a wheelchair. He was a Vietnam veteran. I just think it's extra special because, you know, he has the handicaps, but he still, you know, brings me gifts, and it just, I don't know, it just really warms my heart. I'll just keep showing y'all the gifts that he gets me. But anyways, we're gonna plant this in an aster, So it's gonna bloom toward the mid-summer to fall, and it's gonna get 12 to 18 inches high, and it needs full sun. It's gonna be a zone 5 through 9, and I'm gonna plant it here. It's gonna get quite a bit of sun.
So we lost our boxwoods. There was a disease, I think, going through the neighborhood a little bit. So this is where I need to get some plants for, right in front of these windows. I don't want anything too big. Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, see what I can find. And I'm gonna get some advice from Linette because she has all the tips on what to buy. I only get sun right about now, so I need something that's partial sun because it's shady on the front of the house by later in the day. So we'll see what I can find. I'm out here at Home Depot and they have 50% off of shrubs that they have left. They don't have very many, but I'm going to take a look and see what will go in my front area that I showed you earlier. Let's see what they have. I'm gonna get these azaleas. They're half off also, and they are part sun. So they should work great in my beds under my window by my garage. So I am going to plant these four here. These are the ones I bought the other day at Home Depot. They're azaleas and they're part sun. As you can see, it's like 2:40 and I have no sun on this side of my home here. So it only gets morning sun. So hopefully these will work here. Linette thought they would. They're part sun. So I'm gonna plant one of these and see how it goes. I need to go paint my shovel. It looks so blah and plain. It would be so much more fun if it was painted. I got the idea to put pumpkins up in my baskets just so that it was one less thing I needed to water, and I just have fake leaves up there. And the leaves on behind me are changing so incredibly. This is the planter I made at Linette's for the garden party that we had a while back. I love this pillow. And this one I leave all the time, gathering place. Here's a little area I did. I especially love my football flag. You know, I have a football player. And I got that wooden jack-o'-lantern pot at a pumpkin show. And my plan is to turn it around and use the plain side. Maybe put a bow on it for Christmas. Make it look like a big gift. So I'm hoping I get double duty out of that. One other small area that I did in my front, I have a big island in my front yard and I did this little football inspired decoration. Football has my heart. I've got my football player and I had a football player, so football is a big part of our fall lives, so I like to incorporate it into the mix. Here's just a little glimpse of the fall indoor decor. I had these colors already in my family room, so when I found this pumpkin pillow, I just rolled with it for the decor.